Samsung is completely destroy Apple. As you guys know, the Galaxy S24 Ultra launched before 2 months. But now we have some rumors regarding the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra will be the most powerful phone of Samsung history. As you guys know, Apple is the most powerful phone. When we talk about performance and Apple, a series is completely unbeatable. But Apple slowly start to change over the last 2 years when Qualcomm came out with the AG Gen 2 and the A Gen 3 chip. The iPhone 15 Pro Max is slower than the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and same. The Galaxy S23 Ultra was faster than the iPhone 14 Pro Max when it comes to graphic performance. Well, right now we have some performance leaks of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. This rumor is coming from the chain Galaxy. According to him, Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra will be the first phone that will come with Snapdragon Agent 4. With 4.3 GHz of clock speed, the AG Gen 4 chip used Qualcomm's latest Oryon CPU cores for incredible performance that we have never seen before. The Apple A18 chip will have a 3300 single-core score. And according to rumors, Agent 4 is expected to reach 3500 single-core score, which is unbeatable. When we talk about the multi-core and graphics performance, Samsung is completely destroy Apple in terms of performance. As you guys know, the Samsung Galaxy S24 come with many AI features. Samsung has decided to build more AI features, which will be the more powerful features. So it's all if you like my video, give a thumbs and subscribe and follow me on Instagram.